You are going to love the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, power windows, fog lights, power brakes, compass. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.